End-to-end summary. nShift Checkout is a powerful tool for driving the delivery options section of a website. Here, you can see an example e-commerce website using nShift Checkout's JavaScript widget to deliver the delivery options to the end customer. As you can see here, the end customer is provided with options to choose from: DHL Express, a pickup point, DHL, and home delivery. All of these options are configurable within the nShift Checkout control panel. Configuring your delivery options. We've got 4 delivery options set up: home delivery standard, express, and click and collect, UPS parcel shop, and every parcel shop. In the basic settings of an nShift Checkout configuration, you can choose the book and print account to pull the shipping options from, the sending warehouse, one or multiple languages and currencies, and the display format for estimated delivery times. When you come to the delivery options, the available options to select from are the ones you have set up in your connected book and print platform. Prices can be pulled from the rate card of the book and print platform to display the cost price to the end customer. A title can be set, which is the front-end display title. A price and an original price allow you to show a markdown, as you can see. A tax percent rate. Estimated delivery times can be turned on and off for each delivery option. You can set a cut-off time for the next day. Number of days to pack is the number of days it would take for internal processing to get the package ready for your shipping partner. You can also add additional delay days if you don't pack or your shipping partner doesn't transmit on Saturdays and Sundays. You can also add holidays. Transit days are the number of days it will take your shipping partner to ship the package. Additional days allow you to display a range in the estimated delivery section. Text provides simple text boxes for additional information on delivery options. Text 1 is always displayed, while text 2 and onward are only displayed if the option is selected. Grouping and reordering. Categories can be configured in the category section. They are used to group delivery options together for ease of display and to help the end user understand which service you're offering. While we're talking about categories, you can rearrange the delivery option order manually by clicking and dragging the options. Sender can be used to override the sender address for a particular delivery option from what's been set in the basic settings. Badges are a set number of badges that you can use to turn on and display additional, quick, and easy to recognize information about the delivery option. Custom add-ons are a way of charging or displaying an option to the end customer, making it a selectable item in their cart. For example, you might offer a quick picking option that costs an additional £1, and the user can select it and be charged for that option. Fields are a way of collecting additional information for this delivery option. The general recommendation is to collect this information, like phone numbers and delivery instructions, either before you get to nShift Checkout, or if it's information needed for all delivery options, you can add this under the extra settings. Advanced features. Additional API values are mainly used when integrating headless. These are ways of passing information to the front end that can be used to, in this example, change the styling to be highlighted for this delivery option. Related rules show the rules that are connected to this delivery option. Parameters are information that needs to be passed to the checkout for the options to run. There is a selection of default pre-configured options, and you can also set up custom ones. The rule engine is an if this then that style rule engine. I have a rule here that says if the parameter members is equal to true, I'm setting the price of the standard delivery option to 0 and express to £1.99. Other actions you can take include enabling and disabling options, changing estimated delivery times, and changing the position, text, and title. There's also an advanced editor that allows you to write standard basic syntax. This can pull in conditions from the condition list section of the checkout, allowing you to write rules based on a list of information. For example, if you need to increase delivery estimates based on a list of postcodes, you can do so. You can also see a rule here to change the price to free when it's over a certain threshold. On the right, you can test these rules. At the moment, this is the information being passed to the checkout to show these options. If I increase the price of the cart to be higher than my rule, you can see the delivery options change to free. The other thing you can do in the control panel is what we call experiments. Experiments are a way of A/B testing different checkout configurations against each other. In this example, I've got a configuration with just home delivery options, but for a standard, and a second option with those same home delivery options, but with PUDO points. I'm splitting the traffic 50-50 between the two configurations. This could be a different percentage split, and you can include multiple configurations. If this were running, I'd be able to see the results of if offering PUDO points in this example has an impact on revenue, conversion rate, and average order value.